In this video, you'll learn how to add a manager or admin to a Slack channel. This process is straightforward and can enhance your team collaboration by ensuring the right people have the necessary permissions. To begin, navigate to your Slack workspace. You can do this by opening your web browser and entering the Slack URL by using the desktop application. Once you are on the main Slack interface, locate the channel you want to manage. You should see a list of channels on the left sidebar. Confirm that you are in the correct workspace by checking the workspace name displayed at the top left. Next, find the channel you wish to modify in the channel list. Click on the channel's name to open it. After this, look for the channel settings menu, typically represented by the channel name at the top of the screen. Click on the channel name to reveal a drop-down menu. Within this menu, select the option labeled Settings. This will direct you to the channel management options. Once you are in the channel settings, look for the option titled Manage Members. Clicking on this will display a list of all current members within the channel. Here, you can see the roles assigned to each member. To add a new manager or admin, locate the button or option that says Invite People. This action will allow you to add new members to the channel with specific roles. After selecting Invite People, a new window will appear prompting you to enter the email addresses of the individuals you wish to add. Type the email address of the person you want to make a manager or admin. It is important to ensure the email is correct to avoid any delays in the invitation process. Once you have entered the email, look for the option to select their role, which may include options for manager. Choose the appropriate role before proceeding. After you've selected the individual's email and designated their role, click on the button that says Send. This action will send an invitation to the specified email address. It may take a moment for the invitation to process, so please wait for the confirmation message that indicates the invitation has been sent successfully. If the invitation does not appear to go through, double check the email address and your internet connection to ensure there are no issues. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.